Welcome to the Kingston Brass Installation channel. In this video, we will be going over how to replace diverter for the KB798Y LSP. Additional model numbers that apply will be listed in the video description below. Before we start, you are going to need a 10mm hex Allen wrench, 3mm hex Allen wrench, and diverter part KSRP1241D. Loosen the spout flange beneath the spout by hand or pliers by turning counterclockwise. Remove spout. Use 10mm hex Allen wrench to remove the diverter by turning counterclockwise. Retrieve the diverter from spout body using 3mm hex Allen wrench. Insert new diverter onto the spout body. Secure new diverter in place by turning it clockwise with 10mm hex Allen wrench. Install the spout back onto the faucet body by turning the spout flange clockwise by hand. That's it. You have successfully completed the diverter replacements.